The Tri-Zone Climate Control System can give control to the driver, the front seat passenger, and rear seat passengers so they can adjust the temperature in their respective zones. Let's start with the easiest way to go. In auto mode, the climate control system maintains the interior temperature you select automatically. Push the auto button. Now the driver and front seat passenger can adjust the temperature by pushing their temperature control switch up or down to set their preferred temperature. Pushing the sync button allows the driver to set the temperature for all zones at the same time. Push the sync button again to return to the tri-zone mode. Now the temperature for the driver's side, the passenger side, and the rear passenger compartment can be set separately. Pushing the mode button lets you cycle through the 4 different airflow options you can choose from. And to prevent air from being drawn in from outside, press the recirculation button. That can be used to help cool or heat the cabin more quickly, or to keep noxious fumes from entering the cabin. The front and rear defrost buttons are next to each other on the control panel. Use them to clear the windows of frost or fog before driving the vehicle. To adjust the rear climate control from the front of the vehicle when the climate control system is operating, press the rear on-off button. Press RR Settings. It takes about 10 seconds for the system to automatically adjust the fan and airflow to maintain the set rear temperature. To turn off the rear climate control, select the rear on-off button. Pressing the rear lock button on select models turns the lock mode on and off. When locked, the rear control panel is disabled. With rear climate controls unlocked on the front panel, rear seat passengers can adjust the climate control to their liking using the rear control panel. The controls are very similar to the front controls. To set the rear temperature, press the on-off button and then press the auto button. Then adjust the temperature using the rear temperature control buttons. Turn the system off by pushing the on-off button.